how to use the live betting feature on Caesars. So if you would like to use the live betting feature on Caesars, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is launch the Caesars Sportsbook application. Once we launch the Sportsbook app, you can tap the profile icon from the top right in order to make sure that you log into your account. Now, after you're logged into your account, if you want to bet on live games or live betting, go to the top left option that says live option right here. So tap the live option. Now you'll be able to see a list of current events that are currently ongoing or that are currently live. So you can simply select a certain game that you wish to place a bet on. Then you can go ahead and simply place the odds and add these odds to your bet slip. So they'll be in decimal, they'll be in fractional or negative odds or positive odds. Then once you've done that, once you add it to your bet slip like this, so you can see, you can simply go ahead and then enter the wager amount, and then you'll be able to place your bet. And this way you'll be able to use the live betting feature on Caesars Sportsbook. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.